Hey guys, today I will be putting together my Fovitec Studiopro Softbox lighting kit. Okay, I did a previous video of me unboxing this kit, and today I'm going to be putting it together. Okay, this is the softbox here. This is what this is. This is the first part, and it has Velcro straps right here at the back. This is where the light head goes. But the Velcro straps, you can take it apart easy right there. And up top, this is another area where your rods connect. This is one of the rods here, and they connect right here off the head assembly where the light bulbs go. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting this head unit in. And I'm going to be opening up the Velcro straps here. Putting that in here like this. And what I'm going to try to do is get it as close and as tight as I can to this main unit back here. Because when you're putting the rods on, it's gonna move around. So I'm gonna try to get it as tight as I can on here, so that it doesn't move around when I'm putting the rods on. But we'll see when we get to that point. Just try to get it as close as you can. Okay. We'll see when I start putting it together how it moves around, but I already showed you the rod connection here, and there's a connection right here on the head, right where it goes in. There's a hole right here. Now, I'm going to put this rod in here, and then I'm going to put the rod in at the other side here. See, you guys can hear that the Velcro is already separated. It's already separated in the back. So that's one of the parts that'll drive you crazy, the Velcro in the back that separates when you're putting the rods in. Okay. Put that Velcro back on. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Okay. The rod in here like that. And you guys can see this Velcro will not stay down. Not that strong, but it comes right off. Well, I'm going to keep on installing these rods, and then I will go back to the Velcro. All right, third one. There's one more left here. This is the last connecting rod here. All right. All four rods are in. Now I'm going to reconnect my Velcro straps here. Okay, that. As you can see, That's all you have to do. Just reconnect your Velcro straps as close as you can to the base. Like that. That's just the way they designed this, so it's perfectly fine. But that's all 4 rods put in, okay? All right, let me get the inner diffuser. This is the inner diffuser right here. And the inner diffuser has connection points right here. Oh, hold on, let me get this in the shot. Right here. These are the connection points where the inner diffuser connects. So you just use this little metal clip you have, and you put it on each connection point. There's 4 connection points. I go across here. Let me turn this up so you guys can see this better. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's better. I want you guys to see everything here. But it goes across like this. Let me put it down. This is the way it goes, and then you put it in each spot here. These little metal clips are such a pain. Yeah. I got the first 2 points in at the top. I don't know if you guys saw that. Sorry about that. But the first 2 contact points at the top. Then there's 2 more contact points right here in the front bottom. Bottom here. So all 4 contact points are in on our inner diffuser. And then this part right here is your outer diffuser. And it has Velcro straps at the edge here because on your softbox, there's Velcro straps on the outside. This is where you attach your outer diffuser. Okay? So all you have to do is line it up. All around the edges. And when you get it around the edge, you put it right on your Velcro strap like that. Okay? And then you go around each side where your Velcro is. Keep it going around until you got it in right there. And you can see this is the box put together. And mine comes with a stand. I'll put it on the stand, but I just wanted to see you guys see me put it together. You know how to do it. It's pretty easy. It's not that hard. But I thought I'd make a video for you guys. But let me take this outer diffuser off here. this is my stand. My stand is easy, it's pretty simple. I don't know if you see, hopefully you guys can see this. There's a little screw right here. And all you have to do is loosen that up and put the stand in place like that. And it goes right on because that's the only thing that's keeping it from connecting to it. Okay, and then that just connects right there. Then you screw that tight and your stand is on. And then you can adjust your stand to whatever height you want. Each different level. And it has the legs right here that come out, that go down. So it's a pretty big stand. I don't know if I'll be able to get it in the shot. I'll try. Get it in the shot. Okay, I got it set up. Let me see if you guys see it. It's pretty huge. There it is right there. Things are massive. There it is. And you can put it wherever you want, at whichever direction you want to put it. But it's a pretty big stand, so you guys need some lighting for your videos, I'd recommend this one for you, okay? As always, guys, I thank you for watching my video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Until the next one, bye-bye.